In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Fiverr account. If you're ready to move on from Fiverr and close your account, perhaps you're looking to explore other freelance platforms, or you're just taking a break from freelance work altogether. Whatever your reason, it's important to know how to properly deactivate your account. So let's dive in and go through the steps one by one to ensure a smooth process. First off, you'll need to make sure you're signed into your Fiverr account. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right-hand corner of the page where you'll notice your profile picture or icon. This is generally at the top of the Fiverr homepage, and by clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This is your first step in taking control of your account settings. Next, from the drop-down, look for the option that says Account Settings. Click on it to be redirected to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. This section contains all the essential settings for personalizing and securing your Fiverr account, but today we're focusing on deactivation. On the Account Settings page, you'll find several tabs. What you'll want to do is click on Personal Information. This specific tab contains not just your basic details, but also a crucial option for account deactivation. By clicking here, you ensure you're navigating to the right section where you can take action on your account's status. The next step in this process involves selecting the reason for your account deactivation. Fiverr will provide you with a list of reasons to choose from, such as moving to another platform, not needing the account anymore, or other personal preferences. It's important to select the reason that best describes your situation. This process may seem a bit formal, but it's just Fiverr's way of gathering feedback to potentially improve their services. Once you've selected your reason, you're almost there. The final step is to click on the Deactivate Account button. This button will usually be highlighted or in a color different from the rest of the page, making it easy to spot. After clicking, you may be asked to confirm your choice, ensure that this is indeed what you want to do, as deactivating your account is a pivotal step. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully deactivated your Fiverr account. Remember, deactivating your account will remove your profile from public view, but you could reactivate it later if you choose to come back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the deactivation process simple and understandable. Let us know if you have